Hey guys, this is Tori from Hat Tutors, and today we're going to be breaking down the featured math problem of the week on the Waterloo Math Contest Preparation website. So this was the problem on the Waterloo Math Competition website. As you can see, problem of the week, problem E, Candies, anyone. And this is the problem for grade 11 and 12 students. And if you guys want to do this problem yourself first, I'll make sure to leave a link to the problem in the description, and you guys can check it out before you see the solution. So I'm just assuming that you guys have all tried the problem out now, and I'll be going through the solution. So, or if you just want to look at the solution now, I'll show you as well. So I'm assuming you guys all read the problem. So the problem basically asks, it's asking you to find the original amount of red candy given to these conditions. So let's just do a basic, let's just set some variables first. So we let x be the original number of red candy, and then we let y be the original number of yellow candy. So then we take a look at the first statement. So another 30 red candies are added to the jar, to the candies already in the jar, so that 1/3 of the total of the candies in the jar are red candies. So we know that originally we have x over x plus y. This is the proportion of red candies originally. And now we add 30. So we have to add 30 to both the numerator and the denominator. And we know this equals to 1 over 3. And now we have a second statement. At this point, 30 yellow candies are added to the jar. And now 3/10 of the total number of candies in the jar are red candies. So on top of this, we add 30 more yellow candies. And now 3/10 of the total number of candies are red candies. So in this case, we know that we still have the same number of red candies. However, the total number of candies changes because now we have 60 total candies, 60 like extra candies because we have added 30 more red candies, and this equals 3 over 10. So we have equation number 1 and equation number 2, and it's basically just a simple system of equations. Really, the only maybe challenging part was actually developing the system. So let's just go to solve this. So let me just rewrite them both on this page again. So this is the first equation, and this the second equation. Sorry, it's still x plus 30 over x plus y plus 60 equals 3 over 10. And we just cross multiply to rearrange. So 3x plus 90 equals x plus y plus 30. So equation number 1, equation number 2, we have 10x plus 300 equals 3x plus 3y plus 180. So in this case, we can see here that if we multiply x and y by 3 for equation 1, we can cancel out the x and y variables on the right side, and also we get so we can cancel all the y variables, so then we can just isolate for x. So we would just want to multiply by 3 because that's probably the fastest way. So we get 9x plus 270 equals 3x plus 3y plus 90. And then we just equation 1 times 3. And then we can just use elimination and subtract equation 1 times 3 from equation 2. And if we subtract equation 2 minus equation 1 times 3, we get 10x minus 9x plus 300 minus 270 equals 3x minus 3x plus 3y minus 3y plus 180 minus 90. So this is just factoring in the negative sign to all of these because it's subtraction. So then at the end we get x plus 30 equals just equals 90. So then we get x equals 60. Now we can substitute this in back into our equation 1 to find y. So then we get 3 times 60 plus 90 equals to 60 plus y plus 30. So we just substituted this x equals 60 into this equation, and this just is 270 equals 60 equals 90 plus y, and we rearrange and we get y is equal to 180. And then remember that originally we wanted to find x this is the original we want to find, because we're finding the original proportion of x, of red candy, which is represented by x. So then we get x over x plus y, and we have to find what this equals to. So then 60 over 60 plus 180. Sorry about that. Which equals to 60 over 240, which is equal to 1 over 4. So 1 over 4 is our answer. So the fraction of the number of candies originally in the jar were red candies, and that fraction is 1 over 4. So I'd like to thank you guys for watching. It was a rather short video, but we wanted to try a different genre of videos, and this one's about math. So I hope you guys enjoy, and please stay safe. Thank you.